Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam here. I know it's been a minute. I just wanted to share this 5-minute makeup routine using Merit Beauty. Merit is a clean vegan brand that just recently launched at Sephora, and they're a true believer in less is more. So I've already filled in my brows with the NYX Micro Pencil. Now I'm adding the Merit Brow 1980 Eyebrow Pomade Gel in dark brown. The formula is kind of on the dry side, and it didn't really do much to make my brows look more fluffier. Next, I'm applying the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Concealer Stick. I'm using the shade Khaki, which is a medium tan with golden undertones. It's lightweight and provides light to medium coverage, and I'm using the brush that came in this collection, and it worked really well to blend everything out. The finish is very natural and skin-like. It's perfect for that minimal look, but because I'm taking photos and I do have some dark circles, I'm just applying some concealer using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. Now I'm setting my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Now I'm applying blush, and I'm using the Merit Beauty Flush Balm Cream Blush in the shade Terracotta. It's like a light brown shade with warm undertones. As you can see, the color is just melting in my skin. The pigmentation is sheer and is kind of just disappearing into my skin. Perhaps I should have picked a darker shade for my skin tone. Now I'm going in with the Day Glow highlighter, and it's a dewy highlighter in a balm formula. It has a translucent base that leaves a light sheen. I'm using the shade Bounce, which is like a rose gold. It glides on smoothly, leaving a natural dewy finish. On my skin, it's very light. It doesn't really show much in this lighting, but you'll see afterwards in the sunlight, it looks very beautiful. Now I'm using the same blush that I used on my cheeks, and I'm applying them to my eyelids, but there's no color showing, so I'm just going to use the NARS Orgasm X Quad just to add a soft wash of color to my eyes. I'm applying the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. For a clean mascara, it's very good. It lengthens without clumping or smudging. And it's hard for me to find a mascara that doesn't transfer a lot on my lids. There was very minimal transfer with this one. So I've already lined my lips just to hide the pigmentation. And now I'm applying the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. It's a lip oil infused with rose hip and shea butter. I really like the formula on this lip oil. It's very moisturizing, not too heavy or sticky. You honestly don't even need a base because it's so pigmented, it reminds me of a gloss. I'm using the shade Marrakesh, which is a bright peach. So this is the final look. You can leave it right here, but because I'm taking photos, I'm just gonna add some lashes. If you're not a fan of over-the-top products and you enjoy a natural makeup look, I think you will love this line. Thank you for watching. I will leave all the links to the products below. I also have a full review up on my blog with swatches of all the products included in the Merit Beauty line. Please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.